Hi guys, I'm still in Pune and this is my hotel room. So I've kind of set up the camera in front of the daylight so it's a bright and nice video. I'm going to be going out for a quick lunch with my husband to some faraway place to eat some exotic food. And this is my makeup. I'm going to prime my face. I don't use contact lenses all the time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This is a very relaxed weekend and I don't want to. I'm not going to use any liquid foundation or concealer. I'm just taking some of my Studio Fix and mattifying the top of my eyes. I love eyeshadow sticks. They just make life easy and makes it easy also to quickly contour the top of my eyes. When you blend it, just make sure it doesn't cross the crease line. Just to give it a bit of a contour and a little bit of color. I've not carried too much makeup. I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. It doesn't matter which brand. Take a color that looks like this and a smudge brush that looks like this. Eyeshadow and smudge brushes make life super easy and also gives the eyes a very nice look. I'm going to just line my lower lash line but half. Once again, I'm going for lunch with this look. You can wear it to work as well because most of my looks are very relatable where I like the skin to look like skin. When I have to really dress up and layer up, I get a makeup artist because I'm basically lazy, yet I need to look nice. Same with the other eye. This makeup is also for ladies with hooded eyes and they want the eye to look bigger yet a little intense. It will look intense. I'm going to use a little kohl and I'll show you what I do. Then I'm going to take a black kohl and I'm not going to go all the way in, just exactly above where the brown eyeshadow is. Same with this eye. I'm going to take a flat smudge brush that looks like this. This one I got, I don't even remember where I got this, but see the shape. It's pretty commonly available. A flat smudge brush. And then just smudge the kohl a little bit. Stick to the outer corner of your eye. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to just bring it onto the outer corner, little bit, literally like shading. Again, not all the way inside. Just blend it a little with your finger. Then take the same brush that you use the brown eyeshadow with and just smudge it all over. So it gives you a mild smoky look. So blend it like this. When you blend the eye makeup and whether you use the brush or the finger, just make sure that the stroke is from outside to inside. Like this, not like that. Okay. Use mascara. Now before I set my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Studio Fix. So now I'm using my Studio Fix, which is my foundation. I'm going to set my eyebrows. Eye makeup is done, foundation is done. Now I'm going to do lipstick and a little bit of blush. Nude lip liner. Fill it out and line it. My lip liner, my favorite, is Plum. And the lipstick I'm using is by Tom Ford. It's called Pussycat. Please use a shade of your choice. I just like this and I think it'll go with my outfit. First I thought I'm going to put a dark color, then I'm like, no, I have to eat. I'm going to relish my food and go nom, 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 nom. Why wear a dark lipstick? This is more important, to keep the lipstick light and that it's not messed up and I can eat comfortably. I'm going to use this cream blush stick actually by Milk Makeup. It's called Work, W-E-R-K. Again, you can use something similar. These are things I've collected over the years and I enjoy them. The correct way to apply your blush is to smile. So when you smile, this pops. Just put it there and take it up till here. I always use little product every time and then use more if required. So I want my makeup to stay all day, so I'm going to quickly spray it. My makeup is done. Hope you like it. Hope that was easy and impactful. Give it a try. Do your own makeup and do it right. It's a powerful thing. Till then.